dumpling nothing tough, crusty or oily, so come make some breakfast with me. I added my flour, added my salt, added my baking powder. I add brown sugar, I don't know white, so clump up, then I add some milk. Look on the big old clump of sugar. Anyways, after I need that, I add a little butter so that I can get that nice soft dough there, you know. It always feels weird, but it leaves you with the softest dough ever. Cut up my seasoning them for my Callaloo, which me gonna mix with Frank's. Then I start refill my things them while me wait pan the dough for like relax like a bit. Fry up my little something them. Start watching now. That's disappointing. Better that brought down my fingernail, so me end up have to use knife. Drain off the little water, add it to my Frank's and seasoning and so add little paprika, little black pepper, little salt, little all-purpose. As a chef, we don't need no thermometer, we just drop piece of dough and if it bubble to the top, we know say it ready. Put the dumpling in the oil jacuzzi and turn on the bubble until it look tan. I added avocado, had some hot chocolate and that's it for breakfast.